The Windsor Pergola was sold at Target. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your pergola, please refer to the manufacturer model number HCSHDES-GZ or the DPCI number 009-05-0541. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the pergola is 10 by 10 square. A few key identifiers for this pergola are slim square frame posts at the bottom that get larger towards the bottom on each post, flat roof, retractable awning. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the Windsor Pergola. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have DuraPocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.